Hello, Hardcore Gamer here, aka Yagboy from Xbox Live and the PlayStation Network, here to do an unboxing. This is for the Asus X501A. Bought this yesterday at Best Buy for $2.99. I thought it was a great deal. For what it's worth, it's a 15.6 inch notebook. Let me see if I can show you some of the specs, if it will let me. If not, I'll make sure to have it on. Come on. There we go. There's some of the specs. And no, the keyboard does not light up on this. So here's the box. As I said, this is the X501 in the matte black. Best Buy also gave me this for free, I guess. 6 months or a year of internet security. I don't know. Whatever. Let's open this up. And I do have the anti-shake on. So let me know how it looks. I know it looks kind of weird at first, but... and it breaks. Well, it's only two. Well, it's 300, so you know, it's okay. And this is today's the February the 11th. So yeah, I bought this on February 10th. And it is running, like I said, Windows 8. Okay. Remove these panels. And put this to the side for now. Like I said, this is just an unboxing. I'm not going to actually boot this up at the moment. I'm going to actually set it up, and then I'll do a review later on in a couple days. So, what's this? A warranty card, as well as for Windows 8 Users Guide. Okay. And for installation for the notebook. Yeah. And wait, there's more. I don't know what this is, but technical support, I guess, whatever. And I know through Best Buy they give you like 30 days of technical support, so. And here is the battery. 6 volts. Nothing in there. Is there anything in this one? Let's see. Yeah. The power supply or cable, sorry. And yep. And this. Damn, this is huge. This is brick for it. Okay. Okay, and let's see what the laptop looks like. Actually, I played a little bit with this yesterday. Everybody was buying a Toshiba one, but the specs wise, I think it was an AMD chipset, and it was like 1.7 for the processor speed. This one I thought was nicer since it's Intel based, and it uses it's actually 2.4. So here is the side of it. Okay. And the front. And I know the LED indicators are going to be here. Yep. Okay. On the other side, and like I said, there is no DVD drive or Blu-ray drive. Okay. The back, or the back of it, yep. Where the battery goes. The bottom. Okay. And it has like a, it's hard to see these little dots, but it's like a little glossy matte finish. It's kind of cool. Let's see. see if I can open this up. Okay, yes. Come on. There you go. Okay. Okay. And here is the keyboard. Flip style keys, which is not backlit. It's not backlit. And I like the fact that it does have an instant on. So I'm gonna charge this up. And oh, and there's my Galaxy X3 as I'm shaking it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know. And thank you so much. Take care. Bye.